Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is a quick demonstration of this StarLine we have done to this Fiesta ST-Line 2022. So we fitted the StarLine S9, which is a alarm system, tracking system, immobiliser, anti-hijack system. It's got secure Bluetooth tags to disarm it. If you disarm the vehicle with the manufacturer's key, this tag needs to be seen within range before it will disarm. We've also fitted a pin to drive system with engine blocking, starter blocking, CAN bus blocking, the whole shebang really. So to start the vehicle, what you do is disarm it with the forward tag. The StarLine tag needs to be in range. Turn the ignition on, and as you can see, my foot is on the clutch and there's no crank, no start, and that's being blocked via CAN bus. Also starter interrupt as well. So to enter the code, we can use these buttons on the steering wheel, the cruise buttons: cancel, set plus, set minus, resume, cruise on, cruise off, and limit. We've also fitted an extra LED up in the interior binnacle there, if you can see that. We've mounted the valet button in the headline in there. The valet button serves as an indication LED, also serves as a button for disabling the proximity sensor if you're going to be parking somewhere busy. It also serves as a method of entering the emergency disarm code if you lose tags, if you lose your phone, if you forget your PIN number, or these become damaged or non-functional. You can use that button to disarm it. So ignition's on, you'll see the you'll hear the LED beeping. Sorry, you'll hear the vehicle's dashboard is actually beeping at you. 1, 2, 3. The LED is illuminated, telling you that it's not going to start. To enter the PIN code, I'm going to put the buttons in. I won't show you. One, and wait a couple of seconds, and you'll hear and see indication it's now able to start. There she goes, engine's on, the door's locked, the system is disarmed. So this immobiliser, we call it the pin to drive system. It's the same as many other aftermarket immobilisers you see on the market. This one is a bit different. We do a digital and a CAN bus blocking system. Sorry, we do a CAN bus and an analog blocking system with a relay in a normally open configuration, which basically means if the device is attacked and removed, or tampered with, any power or earth supplies are removed, then the system is it goes dead. It needs to see the alarm in use with authorization before it enables the relays to fire and let the vehicle start. So it kicks in every time you turn the ignition off. After 1 minute, it'll kick in. I've done that 1 minute timer simply because if you was to stall it, you still get a chance to start it without requiring the PIN number. So I'll show you that again. When you arm the system, you get one flash of the of the indicators. This blue LED will illuminate, the StarLine LED illuminates. After 5 seconds, my proximity sensor kicks in. I have turned down the volume of the alarm just for now while I'm testing it. It's outside my house. So we fitted a proximity sensor in here. I'll show you that in a bit, but I'll just show you the pin to drive system again. So disarm it, keys, there you go. You can hear it beeping. We've got no start on the dash. So I'll enter the code again. Dashboard lights need to be on. Use the buttons I've assigned for you, and then just watch these LEDs and you'll see that extinguish, and then she's good to go again. So that's self-arming after 1 minute. You can determine that time if you want. You can change it up to I think it's 99 minutes maybe, or leave it off altogether, but I do recommend having that off. So proximity proximity works with a microwave field sensor mounted inside the dash, hidden, so there's no parts of this alarm are on show apart from obviously the little LED pairing up there. So to demonstrate the proximity sensor, we turn the engine off. We're going to leave the vehicle arm it with the Ford key or the StarLine tag. StarLine tag also operates central locking as well. Compatible on most vehicles, which means you can also lock it remotely. So as you approach the vehicle, you will get a warn away without touching the vehicle. So the zone is about a foot around the driver's door. That's enough to detect, you know, movement without it being too annoying. It's also got a shock sensor built in, a tilt sensor to detect movement on the vehicle. If they're jacking up for the wheels, the alloys, it's got a shock sensor. That's gone full trigger. Again, I've only put it on low volume because I'm outside my house and it's a Sunday. I don't normally work Sundays, but this customer was quite desperate. They had 2 vehicles stolen of the same type. I shouldn't laugh really, but he bought a third one. And he just found me on YouTube and Facebook and just said I need it doing ASAP. So we booked up till middle of November, last week of November. But I did feel a bit bad for him. He's only down the road, he's a local guy. So yeah, so that's obviously disarmed the immobiliser again. Pin number goes back in. LED extinguishes. And then we are good to go. So that's it. This alarm comes with a tracker. It's got an app-based control system for monitoring your vehicle. Any alerts that are generated will be sent to the customer's phone. In this case, he's having 2 phones paired up to it. I'm just going to pair these up now. So any alerts get pushed through to your phone. I'll send you some screenshots of the alerts that you get. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's Andy from Vehicle Foot. StarLine S9 version 2, pin to drive, proximity sensor, shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor, anti-hijack, slave arming off the Ford remote, secure Bluetooth disarm with StarLine 256-bit encrypted tags, which yeah, it's a lot better than your average CAN bus immobiliser. Thanks for watching. Cheers.